all about it. So this channel is basically a mix of everything, lifestyle, what we buy, new things, where we travel, where we go. So abhi chal raha tha Amazon sale, the Great Indian Festival, where we bought this True Mix Pro Mixer Grinder of 1000 watt. This comes with a 2-year warranty. This has some amazing technology like stone pounding, like how our mothers used to like do the stone thing and pisofy the chutney. So the machine does this thing. This comes with 4 amazing jars, which has 400 ml of the small chutney jar, the medium size, which is a 1000 liter jar, and 2 of 1.5 liter jars. So this is an amazing buy, which I think. Let's do the unboxing. I am too excited about this because since we got married, it's been a year now, and we were using the Wonder Chef smoothie grinder basically, and we sustained using that. I want to show you how it was looking. So this was it. This is what the NutriBlend Wonder Chef was looking like, and we have used it to the max. And what we've not made from this is also a good buy if you don't use that much of mixer grinder, and that is not something which is everyday use for you. This also comes with the 3 jars. So the blades of this were very useful. We have used a lot of thing to blend, to do chutneys, to also have a dosa batter. But yes, after an upgrade, we will unbox the Bosch TrueMix Pro Mixer Grinder, and let's see how it looks. This is like the lid is the unlock technology, which is something which I am very excited to how it will look like. So let's do it. Woohoo! Register your new Bosch product now to avail the warranty that we will do very soon, because it comes with a 2-year warranty and we know how useful it would be for us. So definitely we are going to use the warranty slip that comes with, and congratulations on owning a Bosch TrueMix mixer grinder. So here's the motor, which looks a little heavy, but it's nice. This is actually look for the back of the chutney. This is good. This is the founding blade. Okay, so we have the new motor, and this is a new thing. This comes with a grip which will stick onto your kitchen counters if you have something. This is basically a glass table, so it is getting a very good grip. It has 1, 2, 3 levels of how you want to blend your thing. This is quite a good color. Actually, I was not in favor of buying a white one because it's not that useful and it's not that long lasting to keep in the kitchen. It gets very dirty easily. So the handy color, which was only the black, and it was also in silver, but we got the mix of black and silver. It comes with 4 jars. The locking technology, which is a very nice thing, because the clumsy person which I am, it is very easy for me to not hold the jar very tightly. So this is a very good chutney grinder. The blades are here. If my husband can come near to me and show the grinder. So this is how the grinder looks like. This is a chutney grinder, basically a 400 ml. The locking, I will ask him to just show how easy it is to lock this. Actually, even I'm trying for the first time, but let's see how it goes. So this is how the locking works for it. It comes, all the jars comes with a small lid to have air braking or a easy flow thing. If you want to add water, if you want to add some you want to increase the consistency of your liquid, so you can add the flow into it. And it's a very useful thing because while making the dosa batter, we usually, when we pisofy the urad dal, we need to add some water into it, and this is very useful. I am very excited about this. This was in Wonder Chef smoothie blender also, so I know how it works and how useful it is to increase the consistency if we want to have. So this is called as an active flow breaker in technology terms. So this has a very hard grip. Yeah, can you see, it was a very hard grip, so amazed by it. So this is how the wet grinder looks like. I think this is not a wet grinder, this is, I think, this is something dry grinder. I think the wet grinder is this. We bought this from Amazon from the Great Indian Festival. So let's see how it works for us. Definitely, my husband has done a good research buying this. So I was in a favor to buy Bajaj because at my home from Bachpan it was only about Bajaj. So he was like, no, let's see some other brand as well, and he did all the research, and I'm very sure that this should work. So this is the juicer grinder. So you have to make the juice. This comes with a mesh thing which separates your dry and the wet after waste basically. So this is the nice thing. Also this comes with the active flow breaker to add water when you're blending, and you can add some water, start doing that. So apart from this is a very good buy, I feel, and let's see how this works for us. Definitely in coming days or coming weeks I will show what we make into this, but I'm very sure we will be making some pancakes batter, dosa batter, chutneys. Chutneys are regular for us because in my family everyone loves, my sister-in-law loves chutney, my husband loves chutney, so this is a good buy. And after the Wonder Chef, we used to have this small thing which we used to carry in all the kitchen. This is something which will be there in one place, and this is what is the stone pounding blade. We have to figure how to do this. My husband would know how to fit this, but I will also learn how to do this. But this is a great buy. I think let me give you a review after 2-3 weeks how this works for us. And this was all from me and my husband who is recording back, and let's see how this works. So congratulations to us to have this Bosch to mixer grinder, and this comes with a spatula, guys. So this is so cool. Like, I am amazed knowing the fact that people are using their brains to send us this spatula while doing the thing, because the chammach is so hard. So this is a very good thing, Bosch. Thank you for it. And let's see how this works. Thank you guys for watching us and supporting us for this. Thank you. Bye.